Hello. Hello, hello, hello. How's it going? Ooh, lighting bad. Lighting bad. There we go. Sketchy, how's it going? Yag, hello. Foul, oh my god, 10 months? 10 months. Thank you so much for the sub. Very kind of you. Sketchy, 20 stream streak. That's amazing as well. Thank you for the support. How are y'all doing? Virtue, what up? I did some work. I think I did something good. I think there's a good thing in the game now. I hated this feature so much, but now I freaking love it. It's everything. It's everything to me. I'm doing good, Virtue. I'm doing good. Let me show you what I whipped up. Yesterday in stream, 2 days ago. I was working on the wall system, right? Let's look at how the wall system works now. So check it out. I have a bunch of walls. Let's see, wall flagstone. Build wall. I've got all these kinds of walls now. Check it out. So so right now there's like a cursor, a preview cursor that follows your mouse. And then when you get close, it snaps. And when you click, boom. Now there's vinyl siding everywhere. And there's like a nice particle effect. Oops. Sometimes this happens where I select the wall, but then I naturally move the mouse to the middle of the wall and it moves the selection to the outer wall. That happens to me all the time, but it's not a big deal. Just boom, select it back. It's fine. I think what I'm going to do is make redecorating free. Let's look at all these different kinds of room types you can have. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about the natural feeling of wanting to move the mouse to the middle. I think I need a better camera for this mode. This camera, like where I'm top down, diagonal, not orthographic, but like it's relatively far away with a very long lens. It's not working. I got to come up with a different camera. If there's any chance you can accidentally replace, it should be free. Yeah. I'm thinking of just making it free just to ease the pain of the user experience. and I believe that unlocking the walls is going to be a little more complicated. But yeah, this feels great to me. I love this. The poofs are everything. Tavern J, welcome in. How are you? Player movement is smooth. Yeah, it feels good. It feels good. But oh man, this is so good. I was dreading this for so long. I was dreading it for literal years, and now that it's in, it's so nice. All right, enough squeeing over my own work. Time to move on. We love a good particle effect. Yeah, I use the particle effect for everything. Almost everything. Ameripone, what is up? You finished the skiing minigame. It's not done, but it's functional and it's in the game. And I'm moving on to other things right now. I have to come back to it eventually, but I will go back to the skiing game. I think I need to make an easier course. And then I need to make the current course a little harder because the course is already pretty hard. But if it's going to be the difficult course, it needs to be even more difficult. And then I need to work on the zone at the top of the mountain because right now it's just a big snowfield. So I have to like work on the terrain a bit. But today, what I want to do is the walls are good. I want to work on the UI of this build mode so that I can cycle through unlocked items. And it's going to be interesting because these items don't need to ever be in your inventory. Basically, I want to unlock the recipe. Like if I have made the recipe, it is unlocked and I can make it, then I can build it. I don't know. I have to work it out. So, okay, so that's to build a wall. And the vinyl siding might be my new favorite. It's like, I don't know, it just feels homely. Vinyl siding, everything. Oh God, it's so bright. That's a problem. The sun just blows out everything that's white. But then at night, it's nice. This stone, this like flagstone looks like a dungeon. I don't think it works. I think it's pretty lame actually. Oh yeah, and then I want to be able to change colors. So I need a whole system for changing the colors of these materials. Is this like a cozy builder or something? Yeah, Tavern J. It's an innkeeper life sim game. So it's like Stardew Valley, but instead of having a farm, you have an inn, and guests come and you give them rooms. And now in demolition mode, the walls don't go down, so you can actually see what you're deleting a little better. So now I know deleting this wall. Oh, but yeah, it's part of a room. You can't actually delete it. So delete. So you can delete the door and the wall comes back. Then you can delete the walls. And when you change the siding now, it's not going to make this jump. It's just going to stop. But actually it wrapped all the way around and got there anyway, so it's interesting. And then if you do like this room, it knows not to wrap around. Everything works perfectly. I found one more bug in the wall finding algorithm, but now it's perfect. The second I say that's perfect, I'm going to find another bug. But I need to do the same thing for flooring. I need to make it so that you can do the same thing with floors and flood fill new flooring types. So that's next on the docket. I think I'm going to keep working on the UI though. Yo, Sorrow, what is up? That's a neat twist on it. Yeah, I think so. Working. Be working. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. How are you doing? All right, so here, I need to, I'm going to take a screenshot of this, and I can't take a screenshot with the cursor. That's hysterical. Oh, and I can't move that. I guess I could I can use the other button, right? There we go. Oh, wait, let me full screen. And then Jay, thank you for the follow. All right, let's mock something up. Do you make most of your own assets? Yeah, I do. I do make most of my own assets. Speaking of, let me open up Maya. I'm a 3D artist by trade, so that's my bread and butter. 1920. Wait, I'm back. All right, so let's design this window a little bit better. I think what I need to do is hide the hotbar. Whoops, let's lock it. Lock it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna hide this and I'm gonna put a new window, a new thing here. Whoa, sorry for the flashbang. Maya always does this. CG designer. Hi. Designer this. Yeah, here's the walls that I was just working on. They're all actual 3D models. They're not just textures. Which is probably stupid. I was looking online for like a material asset pack or a texture asset pack of like flooring and walls, and I couldn't find anything good. Everything on the Unity asset store is like it's like 950 plus textures, and you go through and it's like 100 different versions of lava and 100 different versions of like random ruins. I'm just like, all right, this isn't helpful. And they're expensive as hell. So I'm not touching those. Not textures, no. Textures ain't cute. Xlur, sorry, I missed your message before. I'm sick and I gotta stay on the Booyah Grandma grind. I'm sorry you're sick. Go, yeah, get your rest. Make sure to hydrate. This is me redeeming hydrate on you, so go drink. But yeah, these are 3D models, but they do have colors associated with them. You know, they are using you know, this atlas. So I think what I want to do is make another texture atlas that is a little less random, and make it so that you could move the UVs of the objects around. And if I have a primary and a secondary color, there'll be separate materials. So like this thing, right? It's a primary color, wall color, and a secondary color. So what I'd do is make each color its own material, and then just shuffle the UVs around based on like a color choice. And that seems to make sense to me. Should be pretty easy to do that. We'll do it eventually. This one would have a primary, secondary. What's the word for what's that? What's the word for a third? Tertiary? Tertiary color. Anyway. I mean, you don't have super high crazy or crazy high poly games, so I suppose you don't have to worry about poly count even if you have someone building in with lots of rock walls. Yeah, I don't think so. It's not so bad. This one is 400 tries. And I'm probably going to kill it. I hate it. This one's 200 tries. This one's 40, 126, 220, 60. This one's actually pretty bad. 726 for the brick, this could be a texture. This would probably look better as a texture. I don't know. This would probably look better as a texture. I don't love the look of it. I mean, it's interesting. It looks a little rounded, but I could do that with a normal map too. Yeah, I could. I just there's just something about it being 3D that feels better to me. It feels more my style. I don't know. I prefer a simple model over a complicated texture any day. I don't know why. All right. Ooh, can I just use this? So I want this to be like a, oh, maybe it goes over here. Maybe there's like a vertical window of categories, and then here's a horizontal window of items you cycle through. Ooh, let's see. Also, everyone, shout out to Fallon here. Coming in here hot. Why does it keep deselecting that? It's so annoying. So maybe I do something like this where so these items would live in this. Whatever. No, I hate it. I can't do it. Oh, terrible. Oh, horrible. Horrible. Someone stop me from doing this, please. All right, good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough. So this is where these would live, right? And then here I'd have categories like, I'm just going to put words for now, but it would be like walls. Oh God. Floors. Doors. Right? No, doors you have to place. But to redecorate a door, maybe you can do that in here. And then windows, windows, and then fences. Is there a way to align this perfectly? Align. Align? Yeah. And I guess I wouldn't have the words here. I would have a logo. I'd have an icon. And it would be highlighted, right? Hey, Fal. If you guys don't know Fal, Fal's working on a Twitch integrated RPG, turn-based battling, exploration, chat integrated. It's fantastic. Make sure to give Fal a follow and check out Fal in Your Fantasy on Steam. Is this right? Is this kind of what I'm thinking? Because The Sims does it like this. The Sims has an integrated menu for building and for decorating. This is going to be decorating only. I'm wondering if this just turns into my build mode. This is evolving into my build mode that I never wanted to make. It's happening. I made like 5 functions today. I did so well. 5 is great. That's 5 times more work than you need to do to, you know, well, for the bare minimum. It's 5 times more than the bare minimum. And this is now called decorate mode. And I'm thinking like R1 and L1 cycle through these. And R2 and L2 cycle through these. Which, yeah, maybe it's not. Maybe it's stupid to have it horizontal or vertical like this. Maybe it should just be tabs like this. And these would be the tabs. You can go up here. Makes sense. Yeah, because this, it's, if I put it here, it's not giving you a lot of visual space here. If I put it here, I don't know. I put all my messaging down here. Nothing ever goes up here, so maybe it does go up there. This is where the input, yeah, it can't go here because that's where input hints go. So this is definitely where it's got to go. Do any of them do anything? Yag. Ouch. Where's the cleanup button? Heal. All right. All right. All right. This is coming along. It might just be this simple. And then this is a scroll of recipes learned. It has nothing to do with items anymore. It's only recipes learned. That means this controller mode requires no selection, which is cool. That means I can hide this. That means this will get hidden. I'm supposed to test them. No. That's what you have. That's what the players are for. You don't need to test it. The players test it. You have 5 more functions to make. You don't have time to test. I think hiding that hotbar is like a checkbox. Wall decoration mode. Hide player? No. Hotbar state. Closed. Bam. Yeah, cool. So the hotbar doesn't show now. All right. Also, what UI is this? I guess I have a generic build mode. Build mode. What is that? Build mode canvas. Here we go. Build mode canvas. Build mode menu manager. Subtitle text. I forget how I set that text. And I forget how I set the build mode text, the title. It's probably just hard coded. Oh my god. So I've been watching Irish John Games. Shout out to Irish John Games. He's doing localization and it's making me consider it more and more like I'm going to do it. I think I'm going to do localization. It's going to take me like 2 weeks. It's probably going to take me 2 solid weeks to get it integrated, get it working, and then move all of my current text over to some kind of spreadsheet. Oh, that's going to be an absolute nightmare. I did a word count on my dialogue alone, and it's 8,000 words. It's a lot. Here we go. So when decoration event starts, if I check what control type we've activated. If the building type is a window, we say windows. Otherwise, we say doors. Otherwise, we get the player control name. Here we go. Case player control type dot wall decorating. And here I say return decorating. I might actually update this to be called build decorating because it's going to be everything now. It's going to be floors, it's going to be walls, it's going to be doors. Maybe I do that now before I get too far. It's not that hard. Because I already have decoration. I have decoration, which is, that's like placing decorations. This is updating building decorations. So let's just do it. Build decorating. That didn't work. Build decorating. Okay. What should decorating be? I don't know. Maybe it's both. Maybe it's the same. So that's why that subtitle was blank, because it's returning nothing. It was literally returning nothing. Well, maybe this is called redecorating. Redecorating. There we go. One's decoration and one's redecorating. That makes sense. And I guess in the build, I'll just put it in the build menu. And if the redecoration mode is started, then I pop that up and I allow it to be messed with. I wonder what that means though. Oh, that makes it like a hotbar. Hotbars are weird because they are active, but they're not normal UI. Oh, interesting. That's weird. Because when a UI is active, it takes control away from the player. But this is going to be a live window that is active with the player. Let's see if I can get this to work. And I should probably steal it. I should probably steal something from another window just to fast track the process. Who has a simple tabbed UI? Something in the pause menu. Oh no, you know what? Actually, yeah. Pause menu. Who's got an easy one? Photographs, calendar, guest log. I think the guest log. Yeah, I've got two tabs. I've got the guest log and then the friend log. So I'm just going to copy this whole window. Copy. Paste. So this is guest log, friend log. And the panels are these NPC panels, but I can remove all this NPC stuff. And just see if it works. So now this is like the, I don't know, decoration, redecorating panel. This is the title panel. On click, I don't want anything to happen. Oh, actually, yeah, I do want that to happen. I do want that to happen. So what I want is for this thing to be a submenu of this. So this thing now needs a submenu. No, it doesn't. No. Submenus open automatically. I actually don't want this to open automatically. So this menu type is going to be none. It is not a menu type. It's a freaky weird one. It does freaky weird stuff. Close on cancel button. Nope. Close on start. Nope. Yeah, don't do any of this stuff. Don't populate the windows. And start close. Yeah. Okay, cool. Let's just put it in the bottom left corner for now. I'll say it's like this. And just to see if this is working, I need to put some, oh wait, weird. Friend log doesn't have, friend log doesn't have anything to select. That's interesting. It does have a scroll view though. You know what? I'm just gonna make guest log twice. And then friend log will open up the other guest log. It makes sense. Where is the canvas group? No, where's the, oh, weird. Where's the canvas group? Contents, panel, guest log. I don't have one. Canvas group selector. It's on, oh, it's in the panel. There it is. This one's just missing. Okay. All right. Am I ready? Am I ready to test this? I don't know. Let's just see. So I actually do want this to start immediately. So I'm going to make it a submenu temporarily. Temporary submenu. So it should just open. What is going to happen? All right. We enter build mode. Look at that. It actually has stuff. It works. I can move around and I can change those tabs. It's not a problem. But why? So Q and E does that. What is R2 and L2? I forget. What is R2 and L2? What keys are they? I don't remember. That's so funny. I don't remember what buttons the other triggers are. I think it's either the period and comma or I don't know. I don't remember. Input system. Q and E are left and right trigger. K and L. Oh, K and L. Okay, that's fine. Oh, you know what's annoying? When you move the mouse to the edge of the screen, it moves the camera. So anytime you move the mouse to try and select something with the mouse, it's gonna zoom the camera away. Maybe I don't do that anymore. Maybe the mouse does not. No, it has to. Or maybe it just has to be literally at the edge of the screen. Okay. Like maybe it only moves maybe it moves the camera if the mouse is literally like in this like 2 to 3 pixel area. Because I think it's like 10%. If it's 10% away from the edge of the screen, it moves it. Okay, I'll work on that. It's Q and L. All right, so this works. That's cool. NPC description panel, I can delete those. Um, so this panel should just be the whole length. Why isn't it? Because that's why. There we go. I can do something light because I don't need text. That's good. And oh, right. This is no longer a horizontal scroll world. This is a vertical. No, this is sorry. This is going to be a vertical scroll, not a horizontal scroll. So horizontal scroll, auto hide and expand, and then vertical permanently hide. But it won't let me. Why? Vertical hide. Let me hide. The hell? Why did the other one hide? Oh, it's because there's something down there. That's why. It's because of the selection. This is being a jerk. It's kind of that's fine. That's fine. It'll go away once we auto hide. And then this needs to come out. I think so. It's fine for now. And then this should be 0. 0? No. 1, 1, 0. There we go. And then this can be raised outline. Oh, UI. Sorry, it's so boring. Anyway, it's Friday, right? It's Friday. How's everyone doing? How's everyone's week? Oh God, how is it Friday? It's the day after Thursday. You know this. I know you know this. This needs to be smaller. What is this no guests met? Oh, right. So I guess this is now no recipes learned. No recipes known. Or no decorations learned? No available decorations? No available styles? I don't know. Yeah, whatever. There we go. Okay. And then I need a something from the crafting menu. That's what I need. I should probably just grab the crafting menu. Crafting canvas. So I have these crafting canvases that allow you to build stuff. It's funny, I want you to be able to craft the different decorations and unlock them, but you don't get items. It basically just unlocks that recipe to allow you to build here. Okay. What does that mean? That means I need a system that checks to see if you've crafted this kind of wall, or are these like purchased from a vendor? Oh, this is so complicated. Right now, I'm just going to say if you know the recipe. If you know the recipe, you could do it. So what does that mean? I have a scroll view here that is specifically for crafting recipes. So maybe I can adjust this such that it works for only these different types. Let's try it. So here is the scroll view. It's 25, 25, 25, 35. Why is everything scaled by a tiny bit? Oh, because this is 50, 50, 50. That's not good. What should this be? Everything in the game favors height. All right, I'm gonna do the same. Favor height. Where'd the title go? Oh, nothing's visible, I see. There it all is. All right, so this is the old scroll view. We don't need that anymore. This is the new scroll view. And I can sort by transaction type. Maybe I have a sub transaction type where I actually look into what. Maybe I have a certain transaction type that is walls and floors and all that stuff. I just further give it. I just needed to give it like more tags. Oh, these. I'm annoyed that I didn't do like a tagging system. Creastricon, how's it going? You like pie? I like pie. I was just talking to my wife today about, and I was asking her why aren't there strawberry pies? Where the hell are the strawberry pies? What flavor? Yeah, what flavor do you like? I'm a weirdo. My favorite flavors are coconut custard and key lime. Those are my favorite pies. Blue. No, that's a Gatorade flavor. How are you doing, Crashticon? Horizontal is permanent. Let's auto hide. Vertical is permanent. All right, I know what this means now. Cow. You like cow flavored pie? Like a Wellington beef pie? Is everything okay, Crastricon? Oh, and this is a horizontal scroll. I have a checkbox for that. That's good. Yes? Okay, that's good. And does this need to throw any events? I need to populate it. Okay. So when this opens... No. Yeah. When it on open, I need to populate this scroll view. All right, we're going to delete this other panel because it's garbage. I have a feeling each one of these has its own selection. Is that true? Viewport? Yeah, each one has its own selection marker. This is not a guest log panel. This is a decoration, a redecoration panel. I'll figure it out. Did you just clip? Oh, I get it, cow pie. I get it now. You're being saucy. I get it now. Why are you trolling me? Oh, you know what? I need to make sure these buttons don't do anything. All right, so crafting recipe display. I need to make it so these are not selectable. How do I do that? I think I need to just duplicate it and say this is a redecorating recipe display. And I need a new menu, of course, because I always need or a new folder. Create folder. Redecorating menu. Or this is really the build menu, right? Build menu. And then where did I just make that? Crafting. Redecorating display. Okay. And the on-click functionality. Redecorating recipe. Ingredient panel. On-click action. None. I want a none. Key lime pie is great. Thank you, Virtue. I don't know why I thanked you for that. I guess thank you for validating that. I'm not the only one. All right, so what else? What else? I think I need this content. So constraint count fixed columns. Fixed row count. It should just be 1. And let's put a bunch of this is actually driving me nuts. I'm gonna hide this. So let's put a bunch of these redecorate in the content. What does it look like? Oh, it's horrible. All right, I don't want... Yeah, this is not what I want. This is not what I want at all. There's no amount. There's no name. I don't want a name. Scene, I don't care. There's no charge image. Ah, crap. Yeah, there actually, yeah, there's just a charge image background. Back, remove. Just a background and a recipe image. And width is 80, I guess. 90. And then this should be just the whole thing. Okay. So it's just an image. Oh, right. This thing resizes. So cell size, I guess I needed, what did I say? 70 and then 80? No, that's not big enough. 100, 110, 115. Let's try that. Upper center, upper left. I guess upper center is fine. Does this need to be a little bigger? I think it needs to be a little bigger. Okay. And then, oh, right. So horizontal fit is preferred. Vertical fit. No. The vertical fit is preferred. Horizontal unconstrained? No. Yeah, preferred. Okay. Almost there. Let me hide everything again. Except... There we go. It's so bulky. It's so bulky. I hate it. I want to put it somewhere else. Also, these are going to be icons, so let's say 70. Can I do these a little different? Do I need this massive freaking background image? I don't think so. Yeah, this will save me some space. I'm not going to do that big thing. I'll put the outline buttons here. And I definitely know I need walls, floors, fences, windows, doors. And let's find the perfect icons. Oh God, how am I gonna? I guess I'll just use this brick wall. This is floors. I like this for floors. Yo, JB, thank you for the hydrate. How the hell are you? Shout out to the Whitechapel. Windows. Doors. This is a cute door. And then fences. Chillin', how's it? It's going well. It's going really, really good actually. Got a lot of progress. I'm feeling good about this new edition. Things are wonderful. Wait, weird. Why can't I adjust? Oh, it's this. That's right. All right, cool. Oh, what if I do that? Yeah, what if I do that? So all these buttons, make them much higher. And then these icons, snap them to the top. Wait. And then these guys, oh, I want these guys to move up. Ah, shoot. Oh, maybe this needs to be like 0.7? No, 0.5. This doesn't do anything. Oh, weird. It must be this layout group, middle center. Middle center. I want it to be what, upper center? Yeah, there we go. Okay. And then this height. There we go. Tabs. Ooh, they're ugly. Ooh, they're so ugly. They're so ugly. Because you just lose all the 3D chunkiness and it's just not cute. What are you working on? Also, heck yeah. Yeah, I'll show you. I'll show you. So, I don't know if you remember, but I've been working on wall decorating and wall redecorating, and I kind of got it working last time, but now it works like really good. So I've got this, I got the cursor. The new wall snaps to kind of where the new wall's gonna go. I've got these particle effects. Boom, boom, boom. Feels really juicy. It's really easy to redecorate. And that's what I'm working on. I even got it so you can like just replace one wall. I don't know why you'd want that, but you can do weird stuff like this. Oh, weird. I can't select this door anymore. Why? Now I can. That was strange. Yeah, it's pretty clean. And if you do make mistakes, it's all free. I'm gonna make it free. So you just kind of blast everything with more decorations and no harm, no foul. No harm, no foul in here. But now what I'm working on is a menu down here where you can cycle through all the different styles that you know. So you can change it on the fly, and you don't have to like back out, change item here, go back into it. Because now these aren't even going to be items anymore. They're just going to be recipes added to like your style book, and you'll be able to, change it freely. It's a little quality of life I think people will appreciate. All right, I didn't like the way those tabs look. I like seeing the thickness on the bottom. It feels much better. All right. So I've got walls, floors, windows, doors. Felix, how's it going? 3-stream streak. Thank you for streaking. Maybe this doesn't need a background either. Maybe these can just be floating, just like these. Nah, I don't know. Nah, I feel like you need to be able to like clearly see the scroll bar and everything. I'll leave this. Okay, let's keep going with this UI. All right, let's say I have a bunch. Cool. This selection marker is going to be selecting these. I think I want these to be these semi-transparent. No, they could be like this. That's fine. But the image should be as big as possible. Let me adjust that. Which means this image should be stretched, but like 3 pixels and then 13. Yeah, this looks right. So it'll be always as big as possible. All right, that's cuter. They were too tall. And this can be smaller. Why does this think that there's more down here? Is there a way to turn that off? I just want to turn off horizontal completely. Inertia. Or vertical. I want to turn off vertical completely. I guess what I could do is set this to none. If I set it to none, and then set this off, there we go. And then the scroll bar is, yeah, cool. That goes the full length. All right, almost there, almost there. So in order to select these, this needs to function just like the hotbar. It's almost like this is a hotbar. Oh no, should I have made this a hotbar? Because the hotbar does so much. Oh no. The hotbar does so much. I'm afraid to make a new one. Let's see. Hotbar. It's like such a special class that does so much on its own. Yeah, completely relies on the fact that there's an inventory, which there is not an inventory in this case. And maybe I can copy and paste this code out and have a simplified hotbar that does very basic stuff. It doesn't need to do all the things that this thing does. It's actually not that bad. It listens to a bunch of input commands, that's this, and figures out if it should shift left or right. That's easy. It listens if the players pause, which I don't need to do because you can't really pause the game in the build mode. All right. This is the shifting logic, which is a lot. It's a lot of code to do the shifting. And then this is just checking what's currently selected. Okay, it's actually not that bad. All right. I got to make another one. Yo, Turgus. Yeah, no stream last night. Sorry. I had some bookkeeping to do. How are you? Shout out to Turgus. I'm doing really boring stuff today. Incredibly boring. It's I'm doing UI. This game has so much UI. So, GUI controller. Should I inherit a new script from GUI controller, or can I make this hotbar input manager its own separate thing that I can add to it? Let's see. I mean, okay. We listen for inputs. That's all normal. I can listen for inputs anywhere. You know what? I'm gonna make it its own separate. I'm gonna make it its own separate script. It's gonna be fantastic. It's gonna be great. It's now gonna be a simple hotbar manager, right? Simple hotbar input manager. So animation, no, mono behavior. Simple hotbar input manager. Or simple UI hotbar. Okay. And I'm going to put it on the redecoration panel. I don't keep too many books. What? What does that mean? What did I say? I forget. So I need to listen for input events. I need to more mountains.tools. Need to grab this. Why is it upset by this? No suitable method found. Oh, because it's overriding it. And then I need to grab this. And then I need to reference the UI that's attached to this GUI controller. And I only do this if our parent UI is open. If it's not open, then we return. And then I need a shift selection. I don't need this shift backpack anymore. Actually, yeah, I only need to shift selection. Shifting the tabs happens automatically. That's convenient. So public void shift selection bool direction. Or I'll say int. I don't know. Oh, you know what I'll do? I'll give it a direction. I'll just literally give it a direction like public enum selection direction. Left, right, up, down. And then I'll give it that. If we hit the left trigger, we go left. If we hit the right trigger, we go right. Scroll. Okay, I do want the scroll to work. That's cool. So we'll say and then this is no longer necessary. But I have to the triggers are the back ones and the bumpers the front ones, right? So you want the triggers to control the tabs and the bumpers to control the selection? No. You want the bumpers to control the tabs and the triggers to control the selection. So we get rid of the bumper stuff. And then we're left with this. Why is this upset? Oh, because we're overriding. All right, so what does selecting left and selecting right mean? We just want to get the currently selected object and then select the thing to its right. Oh my God, it's so simple. It's actually too simple. It's too simple. There's got to be something more complicated than this. So current selection is this. We get the currently selected object. We need to use event system unity engine.event systems. We get the currently selected object. We select selectable. We need using unity engine.ui selectable equals current selection.get component selectable. And then switch direction. If left, then selectable dot left, find selectable left. And then GUI system dot set selected dot game object. What is, oh, this returns null. What does this do? Find selectable. Oh, whoops. Can't find it. Oh, what just happened? What did I do? I hit a hotkey that made all the text smaller and go to a different file. That was weird. Find selectable right. Up. Up. And down. All right, that's easy. I think that's it. No, that can't be it. Right. So when I do select it, I need to then check what I've selected and then tell the decoration system my new selection. So that would require a, how do I make this I want to keep this modular. This is such a clean modular script. I don't want to like infuse it with some bullshit code. I can just throw an event and then I can make that be an action. I can throw an event. I could just say like, you know what I'll do? I'll throw an event that's just like this item was selected in the UI. Like there must be a reason why it's important. I'll throw that event and then the decoration controller will listen for it. If it's open, it'll try and get the ingredient panel's recipe and then grab the item, and then that's that. Oh, super simple. Super simple. Okay. And then I'll cache our last selection. So private game object previous selection. And I'll say if previous selection does not equal current selection, then throw this event. So game event, game object event.trigger game object event type dot new selection. New UI selection. And then I pass along the current selection. And then I set previous to current. And then that's that. And then that's only if current is null. If, yeah, end current selection does not equal null. Okay, I just need to make this new type. 41, oh my God. I'm gonna switch up the music a little. Just, you know, for a day. All right, almost there. Now what? The wall decoration system needs to listen for that. Wall decoration system needs to listen for game object events. Need a protected override on enable. This, oh wait, this might already listen to game object events. Build zone controller, Does not. Secondary controller does not. Player controller does not. Okay, nobody does. One more event. This dot start listening. Is that not right? event start listening. Oops. And then public void. What did I say this new event was? UI selection? New UI selection. If E dot game object dot get component or try get component out no yeah, out ingredient panel dot recipe item panel dot item. Wait a minute. Ingredient panel should have a recipe associated with it. Transaction is called transaction. If panel dot transaction is not equal null, then we need to update selected object. Update selected transaction item. Update selected item. I don't know. With transaction panel dot transaction dot item. All right. So what does updating this cursor mean? It actually shouldn't be so bad. It means Sir Solstice, how's it going? Welcome in. Fellow Baldy, huh? There's a lot of us out there. How are you doing? Focus object. No, I need to delete the wall cursor preview. I need to destroy it and then instantiate a new one. I guess if wall cursor preview is not equal null, then destroy it. And then reset all of its stuff here. With item. Oh, yeah. Okay, perfect. And I'll just do this here. And then I have to set current item equals item. Okay, cool. Doing well. You hyped about the new Mac Studios. No? Wait. Are those like the crazy powerful ones? I'm on a MacBook Pro. I'll never buy a Mac desktop. They're so, like, I understand Macs are more expensive, but I think the amount of markup for the desktop is not worth it to me. I love Mac laptops. I'll never buy a PC laptop. I'll always have a nice Mac laptop, but those studio level desktops are like insane. Yeah. At least for me. I have a PC desktop, like a pretty good one that I don't use. And I do everything else on the Mac. I just like the Mac. Are you an aspiring game dev or an actual game dev as well? All right, so now this should update the selection with our new item, deletes the old one, pops in our new one, and I'm good to go. All right, I'm ready to test. I'm ready to test. I'm a wanderer, don't do much. That's fair. This selection marker needs to be turned on here. First selected, allow mouse inventory management? No. No animator. Canvas group is itself. Canvas selector is none. But this one has a canvas selector. Wait, I have two things called redecorating panel. Redecoration panel. Redecorating panel. I guess this is like the wall redecoration panel for now. I need all these buttons in this group. So walls, floors. Actually, you know what? I'm going to take them all out so they don't exist. Okay, now it's just the one. So I can't mess that up. Alt input, no. Use non-alt input. I actually don't know what that is. Use alt input. What is alt and what is not alt? If use alt input, then it's trigger. Otherwise, it's bumper. Okay. I need an info panel here. Info box? Yo, Aaron. Aaron, welcome in. Welcome in, Raiders. Yag, welcome back. How's it going? Quiet Sonia, meow. Meow back. Tonka. Tanker Glitch, how's it going? Aaron. I Heart, Ghibli. Welcome in, everybody. Shout out to my good streamer friend, Aaron. If those of you that don't know who Aaron is, please give him a follow. Excellent Godot dev. Working on a tower defense card game. Welcome in, Raiders. If you don't know who I am, my name is Andrew. I'm a Unity dev working on a cozy Innkeeper life sim game. And today I'm doing UI. How are y'all doing? Aaron, how's the rest of your stream? Did you get some stuff done? I'll show you what I'm working on today. I'm working on UI for this new redecoration system. So here, you can see I'm working on this UI down here. It's throwing a bunch of errors because it's in a broken state, but I should be able to change the walls. Change the walls to different walls. Walls. It's so satisfying. Play Rocket League. No one's redeemed that in so long. I'm doing good, but it would do better if you played some Rocket League. Oh god. It was good. I got at least one more thing done. A new power called Shork. What does Shork do? So sad I don't have 10K. Yeah, you don't have 10K? Well, Aaron's got your back. Mia Pineapple, welcome in. Those are some snazzy particles in the wall placement. Yeah, those are fun. I love them. I was thinking about getting my first Mac. So you're saying the desktops aren't worth it and that the laptops give you way more for your money. I think so. The laptops are crazy powerful. They're they're overpriced, but not as much as the desktops. If you have money to burn, then sure, get whatever. But if you want a Mac and you're trying to find the sweet spot, I think the laptops are where it's at. I love the laptops. 35 stream streak. Aaron. Auto kills enemies, less than 50% on hit. That's a why called Shork though? I missed the joke. There's always a joke behind it. I missed this one. Welcome in, Raiders. Thanks again, Aaron, for that raid. I'm going to play Rocket League. First, let me fix this. Why are we getting errors? Oh, right. I didn't set the GUI controller. This actually might work. This might work. I didn't even try it yet. A joke shork? A jork, if you will. No, you're making the joke into another joke. All right, if I go into decoration mode. Look at that. Okay. Oh, weird. So nothing is selected now because I'm clicking out here. And then I can't shift selection because nothing's selected. All right. Yeah, the game doesn't like it. The game doesn't like multiple selection modes. It's because of sharks attacking when there's blood in the water, except Shork because we're annoying. I get it. Blissfully unaware, so innocent, right? Let me turn on the PC. So Sir Celsus, this is the moment when I use my PC is when someone redeems play Rocket League. And thank you for the follow. Let me log into Parsec. Looks like my PC has no shader assignment. There we go. Epic Games launcher requires an update. Oh, that's annoying. Better be quick. Make it quick. Yeah, turn on your Rocket League machine. I'm going to heed your advice. Could 16 gigs of RAM be okay, or should I go up to 32? Want to learn code and game dev. More is always better. You'll be fine on 16, but if you can afford it, 32 is nicer. Also depends on the kinds of games you want to make. All right, everybody, taking a Rocket League break because Yag demanded it and Aaron allowed it. Let Windows and apps access. No, get out of here. Oh, and we're in ads. It's probably gonna take 2 minutes to like, do I? So this is like an ad break, and this is a game break. Do I take a break and wait for people to come back from ads to see the gameplay? I can understand doing that if this was a gaming stream, but since this is a game dev stream, Do I play the game in ads? And you're all in ads, so you can't respond. Except Yag. Don't wait for anyone. You said it. Casual. 1v1. Oh, wait. Should I do ranked? No, forget it. We don't deserve you. Of course. I am not. I'm nothing to be deserved. I've been watching my buddy play GoldenEye, the original N64 GoldenEye on stream, and I forgot how good that game was. Oh shit. T Petrosian? How's it going? I'm now learning that Rocket League runs on Mac. No. This is my PC. I'm remoting into my PC from my Mac. This is the only thing I use the PC for. Oh, I missed. I'll let him have it. Let him have it. Oh no. He got me good. He has a PC just so he can play Rocket League. Exactly. I play Block Shop on it too. This PC now is for Block Shop and for Rocket League. Oh no! I couldn't get up in time. Now I'm flying like an idiot. What am I doing? Just letting him have it. He got me good. I saw it coming too. I saw it coming. I actually don't mind when people do that. I do it. Was that an actual save? Will it show me? Nah, it won't show me. Stupid. Oh god. Oh god, what's happening? What is happening? Are you guys seeing this? What is happening? Hang in there, PC. Yeah, seriously. You have one job. It does only have one job. Will you get out of here? Shit. We might get a full match. I never get a full match. Nice. Oh my, are you kidding? What is happening? Yo, I think Aaron and Yag, you've been here for every round of Rocket League because you've redeemed every round. What are what's the ratio of forfeits to finish games? It's like, I don't know, it's like 9 out of 10 are forfeits. It's not good, right? It's terrible. It's crazy. All right. Thank you for the break. I was just starting to warm up too. I guess I'll play another round in like a few weeks. And then we shut it down. So funny. Thank you for allowing me to play Rocket League. I need permission from you guys. Okay. See you in however long it takes to get 10K or 7K. That takes 2, 4, 6. That's 3.5 streams. If you're here the whole time. It's about 2,000 a stream. All right. This didn't work because it kept unselecting. Not good. Why does it keep unselecting? Let's do some investigating. There's probably a setting on the hotbar that I can pull over. It's doing something specific. All right, I go into decoration mode. Right off the bat, nothing's selected. All right. But if I hit E, something does get selected. And then I clicked over here. So the arrows and A and WASD, they don't do anything here, which is normal because they're not. Oh, these things have no neighbors. That's why Q and E don't do anything. All right. Whoops. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I need to hook these up temporarily. I'll just make 3 for now. And then I'll give them fake values. So this one is wood wall. This one is slatting? Slatted. No, that's a terrible name. I need a new name for the slats. And this is brick. I have a neighbor. They flooded my bathroom a few weeks ago. Oh no. What happened? Did they use your bathroom or did something they do in their apartment flood your bathroom? That's crazy. That sucks. All right, so now I can theoretically select different things. I'm still getting... Why am I getting null refs? Probably because... Yeah, I must be doing something stupid. There we go. Okay, cool. Oh, look at that. And it's changing the cursor. Sick. But when I unselect, this is the weird thing. I've deselected and nothing's selected anymore. But why? I have failsafes that are constantly trying to select stuff if nothing is selected. I wonder if this UI now is turned off for some reason. This UI is in the open state. First, their washing machine started leaking and it made a big stain in our kitchen. They could not be reached for 3 days after that. Then their water meter burst and they were unavailable for an additional 7 hours until the management company finally got through to them. Oh God, yeah, that sucks. Those glasses are amazing. Thank you. Thank you for noticing. Like, this hotbar never unselects anything. Look at it. It's just a champ, constantly selecting something. I can click wherever I want. It's always selecting. I wonder what the difference is between the two. There must be a checkbox. So hotbar, selection marker, marker inventory display manager. What is that? I don't care. Active, yeah. Ignore mouse controls. That's what it is. That's what it is. Ignore mouse controls. Because when you use the mouse, the selection marker goes away. That's right. Okay. It is just a checkbox. Nice. All right. This is good. This is good. We're close. And then I just need to populate those scroll bars with the right recipes. And the UI is done. Yes. Oh, look at that. Interesting. So when I start using Q and E, first of all, it's like changing to mouse control. It's changing to controller mode, which isn't good. And even when I scroll wheel, it changes to controller mode. Because these are smart buttons. Because these are smart buttons. Interesting. That means I need a new... Yeah. I have a thing that when a smart button is clicked, it switches to controller mode. What are the hotbar buttons? Inventory. These are just inventory slots. Yeah. Figured. Okay. I just need some kind of checkbox that's like, ignore something. I don't know. Smart button. They look comfortable. I wish I had glasses that give me that give comfy. Honestly, I hate these glasses because they're so cheap. Like, I was praising glasses in Japan because of how cheap they were, and now I'm basically getting what I paid for. These little nubs, they create like painful red marks on my nose, and I went back to the place and I'm like, hey, look, these glasses are doing this. Is there anything I can do? And he took them and he adjusted them and he's like, okay, it should be much better now. And it's a little better, but it's still like, it hurts if I wear them for too long. They're not great. So I only wear them when these are not in reach, but they are in reach, so I'm actually going to switch to them. It's so annoying. I was really excited to like wear different glasses, but no, they have to suck. Okay. So, smart button. Button controls detected. Find selectable on. Okay, so it's this. I don't want to throw this event all the time. So public bool. Send button control events on find selectable. What a horrible name. No. Just button control events. Send button control events. False marketing, yeah. Equals true. Or you know what? It's actually, so it's not send. I want to suppress. How do you spell suppress? Two P's, two S's? Yeah. And then if suppress. On submit. Yeah, definitely not. All right. So now these specific prefabs just need that checked off. Oh, but I need to like display it. That's so annoying. Suppress. And then I want to apply this to the prefab. But I can't. Oh, yes, I can. Apply. Oh, it won't let me. Weird. Weird. Forgot I could just do that. What? Suppress. Yes. Save. Oh, why won't it save? Weird. I think it's because that has a custom UI, so it doesn't know to save. So now it's checked. Now it's checked everywhere. Okay. All right. I have a good feeling about this. What time is it? 5:30. Also, you know what I haven't done in a long time? I have not updated this elevation. All right, cool. It's not working fully. It's not in sync. The middle one, okay, so the first one is wood. I don't, it's like delayed. That's weird. Um, let me do first things first. For those that don't know, every new follow increases the elevation of Alpine Lake. I haven't done this so long. We're up to 1760. All right, what's going on there? What? So this is fine. This is... Oh, I was doing this when you raided. Oh, right, I forgot. Totally lost my train of thought. Whatever. I'm not going to do it anymore. I don't care anymore. Set selected. Oh, because I'm setting selected. And current selection is now nothing. I have to do it again. Or current selection is the old selection. Yeah, there we go. So I have to get the current selection. See what we can grab. Set it again. See if it's different than the last thing we selected. Then new selection. Okay. All right, now I'm 100% confident it's done and it works. Boom. Perfect. Perfect, 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 perfect. Oh, this is great. Wow, I should have done this so long ago. Boom, 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 boom. Oh man, it's gonna make decorating so easy. Oh man. Me about everything in my game. Yeah. Uh-oh. Bug. I can't select the door here. If I leave and come back, I can select the door. If I switch items, I can. If I place an item, I can't anymore. Why? Oh, because it's resetting it's resetting the collider state. Interesting. What do I do about that? It's almost like I want to re-enter decoration mode after. That's what I'm gonna do. No, it's really dirty. What do they listen for? Walls listen for decoration events. And if that decoration item is a wall, we toggle this stuff. You know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna see if anything breaks. I'm gonna throw that same event twice. We're gonna start decorating one more time. So decoration event, So after we place walls, we're gonna, I'll yield 1 frame just to let this stuff instantiate properly. And then I'll say decorate again. That should do it, right? Anybody have any fun weekend plans? It's really silly. My wife and I wanted to go see Wicked because Wicked's coming out this weekend here. And 4 days ago, we went to buy tickets and they just weren't available. So we thought it was like sold out the whole weekend. And then she bought like, I don't know, whatever won Best Picture at the Oscars. I never even heard of it. She just bought 2 tickets for that. And then like 2 days later, all the Wicked tickets were released, and it's like not sold out at all. And now we're just like, well, we don't want to see this one. We want to see Wicked, but we're gonna go see it anyway. Wicked's coming out this weekend, exactly. Grastricon, that sucks. I'm hoping to play a bunch of Minecraft with my small human this weekend. That's adorable. What a great experience. Oh man, I've been playing Animal Well. Guys, I freaking love Animal Well. Oh my god, it's so good. Virtue, thank you for the posture check. And the hydrate. Mm. Also, I'm out of water. There's an ad break starting in a few minutes. I'm gonna start it now and just get up, stretch my legs, and go get some more water. And I suggest you all do the same. I'll be back in 30 seconds, but the ads will be back in 2 minutes. So hang in there, y'all. All right, I'm back. And you're back. Welcome back. Hi, Yag. I'm back. My name is back. Okay. Did everything work? I forget. Everything worked perfectly. Yeah, success. Now I just need to get these panels populating the right items. So I could use my crafting populator and just have more category checkboxes. Is that what I'm gonna do? Yes. Yes. All right. So here's what I gotta do. This now gets a crafting scroll view manager. It already has it. So all I need to do is figure out like this transaction type. I need a subtype. So transactions. I need to break up into subtypes. So filter by subtype, right? Public bool filter by subtype. And then I need to know what this subtype is. The subtype is probably the build item type. Yeah. And then I need a bool to know if we want to do that. Filter by build. And this is the build subtype. Okay. If include show all recipes. Yeah. So transaction type. Where do I use this? Oh, get recipes by transaction type. Okay. So here I'll say if filter by subtype, then if recipe dot item dot build type. I need to cast this to a decor or build item. Build decor. Decoration item. What the hell are they? Building item? Damn it. Decoration item. Is this it? Dot. There we go. Oh my god, that was so hard to find. These nested parens are ridiculous. I don't need these. Equals build subtype. Well, if it does not equal this build subtype, then continue. All right, that was crazy. But that's really easy. Really very easy. Let's see if this works. Also, why is this in the MPC database folder? No, 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 no. This should be, there's no crafting? UI. Merchant. Map. I don't have a crafting UI subfolder. All right, we gotta fix that. I like how the Ghibli music went straight into some Zelda. I'm fine with that. But you know what I'm gonna do instead? Put on my favorite Zelda track. There we go. This one's got rain sound effects. All right, so now I need to get rid of these temporary little guys. And cross my fingers that this works. Oh wait, I didn't set the values. I didn't set the editor values. So filter by subtype. Yes. Build subtype. Wall. All right. Now this is going to work. Ooh, it's going to work great. It's going to work first try. It's going to work first try. It didn't work. It didn't work. Why? Line 24. If decoration item. Oh, because it's not a decoration item. Because it's not a decoration item. Is that true? Build wall wood. It is a decoration item. It's 100% a decoration item. So what's null? Object reference not set to an instance of an object. Well, what? Oh God. Oh God. Something broke. Here we go. I wonder if these are required. Like, is it casting the right thing? Yeah, no, these are definitely required. It needs to know what it's casting. You know what I should do is I should say if, yeah, I'll do it this way. If this is a decoration item, deco, if deco.building type equals this. Okay. So that should guarantee that it's a building item. But maybe the item is null in the recipe. Let's see. Let's make sure that all of these items are set. That could be a user error. That's a possibility. Build recipe wall basic. Brick. Oh, look at that. Don't include. We want to include. Oh, look at that. Boom. Slat. ID. Oh, so I need to do this include before slatted. All right. I need my building material experts. What do you call like the vinyl slatted sides of a house in a nice, cute, non-scientific way? Like, I was looking up what they're called, and the names of them are so unrecognizable. What would you call like vinyl siding? Vinyl siding, house vinyl siding. Like, what do you call this? Vinyl is just the material. House siding types. Like, yeah, traditional lap or Dutch lap. Like, these are the two. Or horizontal panels. Those are not good names. Slatted. That's what I'm calling it, is slatted. But the more I say that word, it doesn't make any sense. Like, what slatted? What does slatted even mean? Cladded? Calling it lapped walls would be clear. I've never heard of that before. Cladded? Yeah, I don't know what that is. Australian homes with cladding. What is cladding? Cladding wall. Types of wall cladding. Nah, this is just everything. I don't even know what that means. Lapped walls. I mean, that's definitely, like, this is what I'm doing. It's this kind of lapped wall, but I feel like it doesn't make sense to the so just like a regular person. I think I'm going to keep slatted for now in lieu of something better. Also, okay, so slat is garbage. Slatted is our friend, so delete. Stone, flagstone. So this is not stone anymore. It's now flagstone. Wainscoting and wood. Okay, so yeah, there was just one without an item, and it was messing things up. Slatted could be wood as well. So that's another thing. Like, I believe what I'm going for is the type of, not is like the style of wall, and then the material will be semi-changed using like the colors. So it'll look like wood if you make it brown. It'll look like vinyl if you make it white. You know, whatever. So I don't really actually care what it's made out of. Okay. So I didn't get an error, but I didn't get a menu either. Did I do this right? Filter by build subtype. If it's a decoration item, if it doesn't equal the type that we've put in continue. That means if it does equal the type we put in, don't continue. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense to me. Also, Kilika, good morning. Let's see. Explicit, filter by subtype wall. Oh, wait. Okay. Here's one thing that's wrong already. This is the wrong thing. I need my redecorating recipe display. Okay. And no recipes. See, that's not true. Let's see. I'm doing good. I'm doing really good today. This is coming out nice. I'm happy with this this decoration menu and mode. Why is nothing spawning? It's calling populate. I mean, I know it's calling populate because it was throwing errors before. Let's just see what's going on. Print. Deco is not a subtype. Oh, and this needs to actually go up here also. What's going on here? Oh, I don't know any recipes. Duh. I don't know any recipes. It's not going to show any. I don't know any recipes. It's not going to show any. So if I tell the game that I do, show all recipes. There they are. Okay, cool. All right, it's not selecting them properly. And I can't click them. I thought I'd be able to click them. All right, so I know why it's not showing them to me. I just realized, how am I going to enter this mode? Is it a button? Or do I need like some kind of redecoration or redecorating item that allows me to enter this mode? More questions. More questions. All right, why isn't it doing that correctly? Oh, I think it's because I have to tell it how many rows there are. Yeah, number of columns. 1. Inverse navigation is horizontal. Okay, yeah. So number of columns just means number of rows. Nice. So now the scroll wheel moves up and down through them. Or Q and E. Oh, nice. Okay. And then K and L don't do anything right now because the tabs are not hooked up. But this is great. This is awesome. This is awesome. So now I need to be able to click these. Why are they not clickable? Yo, Grumble. Grumble, welcome in. Shout out to Grumble the Pugs. How are you doing? How's your stream today? For those of you that don't know Grumble, why would it do that? For those of you that don't know Grumble, make sure to check out Megabat. Make sure to follow him. He's making a precision platformer. Please wishlist Megabat. And for those that don't know who I am, I'll introduce myself after the trailer. Back to working toward demo stuff so I can get into the next Steam Next Fest. You're gunning for it. That's big. That's really big. Nice. All right, everyone do the thing. Click follow. Click wishlist. Welcome in, Raiders. If you don't know who I am, my name is Andrew. I'm working on this cozy life sim Innkeeper-Sim called Alpine Lake. Right now I'm working on the redecoration mechanics for walls. So I've got this UI in the corner now. It shows me all my different wall types. And I can, so this is all fresh and new. I had one wall in the game for the longest time, but now you could redecorate with different kinds of walls. And it's super easy. And now I'm working toward doing the same thing with floors and the same thing with windows and doors and fences. It's gonna be a pain. Have to go to bed. Good night. Grumble, thank you so much for the raid and have a great night. Really appreciate it. But yeah, welcome in, everyone. Flagstone is not a wall. Okay, yeah, this works now. We don't need these print statements. All right. Something wasn't working when you came in here and I was about to fix it. What was it? I think it was, I can't click those buttons. That's right. I can't click them. So these things need on-click events. Redecorate. On-click action. So the on-click action, I want it to just select itself. Do I have that? Try transaction, add to restaurant, remove from restaurant, try unlock. Okay, so I don't want it to be none. I want it to be select self, which seems like a no-brainer. But why can't I? Perform action. Case select self. Wait, this is crazy. Buttons should select themselves. Why isn't it? Yo, Arrow. Oh my God, how are you? Yo, it's been a minute. I hope you're doing well. Got another power up added to the game. Going to sleep too. Aaron, nice. Aaron, have a great night. Thank you so much for the raid. Everyone who just came in on Grumble's raid, make sure to also follow Aaron. If you like Godot, if you come from Grumble's stream, you like Godot, make sure to give Aaron a follow. It's been a while. I'm managing, had a lot of IRL. I'm sorry to hear, but it's nice to see you. I hope you're managing as best you can. But it's going well here. A lot of progress every day. So this is weird. I shouldn't have to do this. When you select a button, it should select itself. Like, that is how buttons work. Something weird is going on. So if I look at the event system, it lets me do this. But why can't I click it? Wait, on click. Yeah. Why can't I click this damn thing? Is this thing not interactable? Let's see. No, this is definitely interactable. And when I do click, it like flickers. There's no rollover event either. That's weird. What is going on here? On right click, on left click. Yeah. Interactable. All right, if I do that, like, it doesn't even have a rollover event. On highlight, press selected. Is there something in the way? What if I move this up? Now? No? I mean, that's good. These, you can click these. Is this selection marker in the way? What if I hide it? Unhide it. Comes back, reselects that. Approved containers. Yep, it's approved container is the content. So weird. Doing my best, figuring a bunch of stuff out. One plus side, I've been munching through random courses, so rabbit holes are definitely continuing. Nice. The rabbit holes are what keeps us sane. What is this image? It's nothing. And it's behind it anyway. User input canvas. Overwrite return target with us. No. Suppress button control events. What if I don't suppress them? Maybe that has something to do with it. I have to do it one at a time. All right, so number 2. Suppress button control events. Yeah, it doesn't do anything. It's on the UI layer, yeah. If I make the normal colored green. Oh, look at that. Wait, disabled color. Look at this. The normal color is this bright ass green, but it's a very like not green. It's a very barely green. Oh, because this has double color. That's why. Oh, I didn't realize that. Oh, that's a problem. All right. I don't know what's going on here. What if I just make a button in here? Let me try that. UI button. Text Mesh Pro. I just got a new button there. I can select it. Look at that. I can select it and it is selected. I can't select these. What? Raycast target. Oh, does it not have a raycast target? That must be it. These images are not raycast targets. There we go. It just didn't have a raycast target. Okay. That's freaking weird because how do these buttons work where I use them elsewhere? Very strange. All right. So this thing, no raycast target. This thing, yes, raycast target. I'm going to also get rid of all this stupid nonsense. All right. Cool. So now I should be able to select it and I don't need that like extra selection type. And then I think I'm good for the day. I think I've gotten enough done and I'm going out later, so need to get ready. So right off the bat, it has the wrong wall selected. That's okay. I know why. I'll figure that out. But when we change selection, it changes what is selected. Cool. And then when I... Ooh, okay. It changes the selection, but the... Interesting. It doesn't know... It doesn't know what's being selected. That new hotbar input manager I made doesn't know what's being selected. Yeah, arrow. Arrow's here. Or was here. All right. I know what I can do. I can just throw that event on selected. So select self. I can just throw that game object event. Game object event. New UI dot trigger. New UI selection, and then just throw this game object. And it'll just work. Oh, but the rollover won't work. Do I want it to select on rollover? Oh, I don't know. Oh, crap. Do I want it to select on rollover? I think so. Yo, Warner. What's going on? All right, instead of battling this right now, I think I'm going to find someone to raid. All right. We don't need that. Where should we go? Here's I haven't checked the group in a while. There's some new people that I wasn't aware of. Alkaline. I don't think I've ever rated Alkaline. Looks like they just started. Yeah, they just started 1 minute ago. Yeah, let's go say hi to them. Excuse me. All right, everybody. Today was chill, but I got a lot done. I feel like this whole menu just popped out of nowhere, and it works really well. Sort of. It will soon, but it feels good. Yeah, it makes decorating so fast. It's crazy. This was so necessary. So necessary. Let's do some credits. Sir Salsus, Tavern J, and Bworkin. Thank you for the follows. Foul, thank you for the resub. Finn, thank you for modding. And Aaron and Grumble, thank you so much for those raids. Yag, thanks for hanging. Kilika, Warner, Arrows, good to see you again. Aaron, Grumble, iHeart, Kriastricon, Sock now, everybody. I hope you have a good weekend. I'll be back next week on Monday. Let's go say hi to Alkaline. Virtue, take it easy. Thanks everyone for hanging out with me, keeping me going. And yeah, we'll see if I work on this over the weekend. I might not. Might keep myself busy with chores and fun stuff, but we'll see. All right, everyone. Have a good one. Take care. Have a good rest of your day. Peace.